Please, kasama yun si Jollibee, all the way from So before anything else, before we have our picture taking, we will have first our blowing of our candles together with our birthday celebrant, Mommy and Daddy. And this time, I request everyone to please go back to your seats first.
Marisa!
Ayan.
Ay, alay! Ka-video lang ako! Ka-video!
Okay, balik sa likuran yan. Ayan, okay. Ay, sino po yun? Okay, ang mahadto ang Jollibee dili lang ipanood. May masinuan. Okay? Sige. So, before anything else, let's sing first once again, Happy Birthday before we blow the candle.
Happy birthday
to you!
Ayan.
Happy
birthday na mother from Mama and Papa. The mother from Mommy Edna and Daddy Lau. Yes.
to you. Happy birthday
To you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, sabay-sabay. 1, 2, okay, go.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Birthday to you, babe.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you so much. And this time, masyado pong maingay. Okay, so Sheena, are you ready to blow your candle? Okay, Jollibee, tulungan natin si Sheena to blow her candle this afternoon. Sheena, kay Jollibee. At this time, okay, piyong sa mga mata, piyong. Jollibee, piyong. Ay, hindi. Ayan, sige. Okay, so this time, Sheena, are you ready to blow your candle? Okay, let's have our countdown from 10 down to 1 again. In 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
blow your candle. Okay. Yay! Happy birthday, Sheena. Yes. Ayan. And of course, this time naman, si Jollibee, my birthday wish para kay Ate Sheena. Okay, Jollibee. Jollibee, also no birthday wish para kay Sheena this afternoon. Si Jollibee po ay may tatlong
Malungkot kay siya, ate,
for
ay.
our birthday celebrant. Go! Si Ate Sheena ay lalaking to be strong and smart like Mommy and Daddy. Oh, si Ate Sheena ay lalaking to be prayerful. First sa ating lahat. And go, Jollibee, for our last wish. Si Ate Sheena ay lalaking to be jolly like Jollibee. Alright, thank you so much. Okay, on behalf of Jollibee Valencia Management Team, si Jollibee, of course, together with Kuya Migs and Kuya Maki, would like to thank Mommy and Daddy. At nagsasabi ko po kami, dear Mommy and Daddy, thank you for choosing Jollibee a part of your child's birthday celebration. We are so happy to have had the opportunity to be part of such an important occasion. We look forward to celebrating with you again. Be happy, Jollibee. Okay, so before tayo mag-continue sa ating picture taking, si Jollibee sasayaw pa! Ayan. Balik sa sayo na yan.
Laili na, tipe. Oh,